Welcome! In this video, we will guide you through the basic disassembly of a standard TRA 20 circumferential piston pump, part of Viking Pump's Hygienic line. As always, read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure all maintenance steps are completed. The following tools are required for disassembly: a socket set, O-ring pick, a plastic dowel or other non-metallic material, and an Allen wrench. Begin by loosening and removing the pump cover nuts. Remove the pump cover. If necessary, use a soft mallet and tap the cover to loosen it. Remove the pump cover O-ring. Now use a socket wrench to rotate the rotors perpendicular to each other. To prevent the rotors from turning further, insert a dowel made of plastic or other non-metallic material between the rotors. Remove the rotor nuts. Be sure to keep the washers with the nuts. Remove the rotor nut O-rings. Next, remove the rotors by sliding them toward you and away from the shafts. Then remove the rotor hub, O-rings, and the rotor hub key. Be sure to take note of the rotor orientation. Each rotor needs to be returned to its original position for reassembly. Next, loosen and remove the retaining screws on the pump body. Remove the pump body by sliding it off the studs. If necessary, tap both sides of the pump body with a soft mallet to loosen. Take care not to damage the mechanical seals or drop them onto the shafts. Your Viking TRA 20 pump is now completely disassembled and ready for maintenance. To learn more, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.